United Group. Assisted by Camila Jim Abdi. Penetrate in front of Sancho. Martinos Tataro. Lucas Pocket. Dalawang puntos mga kaibigan. For 2 points and foul. Foul against Holy Jersey number 10. Gabriel Holy Jersey number 10. First personal foul. 1 for penalty. United Group. Outside jumper into the basket, nagtira ng tres, wala dito ng tama, pwede. Ibang distansya ng minutes and 12 seconds to go. Kuya Boyen, tabi-tabi kay Boyen. 38 against 29. Umitan ng Boyen, ang Gerald Camarilla for Pinoy Pinay. Hanapin itong Gerald Dulay. Dulay, looking around, the man is open. Ibigin Loki, shot and down to 8. Inside, Chokay, Chokay!